Hi, hello friends. You're watching LVK Education. Today we are going to learn how to find the square of numbers end with 5 in Vedic method. So please friends, watch until the end of the video to understand better. Friends, also don't forget to subscribe to LVK Education and also activate the bell icon to get notifications of my further videos. Okay friends, let us enter into our topic. How to find square of a number end with 5 in Vedic method. Friends, what is the square of 65? In general method, we find square of 65 like this. 65 into 65. 5 5s are 25. 5 here to carry. Then 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2, 32. 32 right here. Then 6 5s are 30. 0 here. 3 carry. 6 6 are 36 plus 3 is equals to 39. See. Now 5, 0 plus 2 is equals to 2, 3 plus 9, 12, 2, 1 carry, 3 plus 1, 4. So 4225 is the answer. So see friends, how much time taken to calculate 65 square in our general method. Let us see in Vedic method. So, the step 1, the number before 5 multiply with successor of that number. For example, here the number before 5 is 6. So, multiply the number successor of it. 6 successor is 7. So, 6 sevens are 42. And step 2, write 22 at the last of product of in step 1. So the product in step 1 is 6 sevens are 42. So here we have to write 25 at the end. So 4225. See friends, compare both answers. See how fast we have calculated within 2 seconds. So friends, I think that you also understand better. See some more examples. Let us find 85 square. See. So the number before 5 is 8. So 8 successor is 9. 8 9s are 72. Then we have to write at the end 25. See friends, how easy. See one more example, 75 square. So the number before 5 is 7. 7 successor is 8. 7 8s are 56. And at the end we have to write 25. See friends, how easy. I think all of you understand this trick. So friends, if you understand the trick, apply the for these numbers. 25 square, 35 square and 55 square. So friends, if you understand, apply the trick for these numbers and answer them in the comment box. Okay friends, if you like the video, please put a like and share to your friends. For more interesting videos, please subscribe to LVK Education. Thank you to everyone.